Kawe ni samla walai ban shai hikai banang ktien Japan kebala pli do menteri rang ba khanyo tarik naiwing arajar pesan habari kamomita sinha kalaong baka kwa ban litre si Japan ban kane kajing plilat ka sarkar meklia yek samla kalong kabu naga benta kito ki bakwa ban litre shabar gari kajing sim jongka ya kane kalat kalong bakanyo ya kajing mentoy ha kipor ki ban sawan ban ha kajuk kapor kalong ke aka ke bamtoy ban yo ji hikai ke aka ke batmai bar kane kade kabu ban shim ya kane kalat kebak sarkar kelala ban pli ha kane kanong ba ashlong
Actually, because I feel like there's a better future, and then it's good to learn something new every time, and then it's good to take on opportunities because as Meghalaya government is providing, and then I feel like it's genuine and we can go forward with that. It's like it's best for every other student who's like coming up as a fresher and doing something new.
do you expect a job there in
Yes,
Japan?
because I feel like the teachers who are going to be tutoring us and then helping to give us opportunities, they're going to do their best. And then even we as part of this community now, we can say that we can surely give our best. And yes, I think the job is like full that we'll be getting it.
What do you have to say when the government has opened up this opportunity for you?
I think this is something very big for mostly students who are like pursuing future and who are like looking forward to go abroad or might be start something new. So this is like an opportunity that everyone should grab, I might say.